In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix files are corrupted. Integrity check through Steam is required for Escape from Tarkov. So first thing you're going to do is open Google, and here I suggest downloading the game from the game website officially. So if you go here and go to their website, you can create an account here and you can just log in. So as you can see, I just logged in to my account. So what you would do is go here and actually go here and you will see profile. So go to profile. So you would click on your profile and click on this settings icon. And over here, you will be able to download the game directly from the website. Click downloadable content and here you will see the game. So you can basically download it from here. So if you download this, so you would download this one and run the installer and just let it run through. And most of the time this should fix your issue and you should be able to run the game just normally. However, if you're still having issues, then I suggest going to Steam and finding the game. So let's say this is the game that is Escape from Tarkov. You would basically right click, go to properties, and here you would see installed files. And what you're going to do is verify integrity of game files. So you would do this for Escape from Tarkov. So this is just an example for Brawlhalla. You do verify integrity. This might take a few minutes, but this should hopefully fix your issue. So the lastly I could suggest you is to restart your computer, and if you're still having issues, try to uninstall the whole game and reinstall it, and hopefully this fixes your issue.